I've asked Ken Ely to explain the advanced features of our Lennox furnace line. Hello, Ken.
Hello, Dave. Thanks for asking me here today.
Now, tell me, Ken, what makes Lennox furnaces so special?
Well, of course, superior home comfort. It's the biggest selling point. Now, our G71 model here is the industry leader in innovative design for precise comfort and efficiency. Now, it has our trademark precise comfort technology. Now, this automatically adjusts heat and airflow in increments as small as 1% or as large as is needed for the ultimate in temperature control throughout the home without over-conditioning or wasting energy. Now, it features a variable speed blower that provides a quiet, consistent flow of air for enhanced temperature and humidity control. Plus, that variable speed motor uses 2/3 less energy than single speed motors. Now, this allows you to run your fan more often, which helps improve indoor air quality.
So this makes your air filters more effective in reducing allergens and creating more even temperatures in your home.
No, absolutely. The blower ramps up and down, so there's no sudden noise or blast of air during startup or speed changes. Now, the Duralock heat exchanger is made of patented armor-tough steel, so this ensures reliability and efficiency. Now, all this is followed by a stainless steel secondary heat exchanger that allows the furnace to achieve high efficiency levels by capturing almost all the heat generated by the furnace. Now, here you see the variable speed inducer. Now, it automatically adjusts to match your system's requirements to maintain balanced combustion and efficiency. Now, up here we have that SureLight igniter. It's silicone nitride. This ensures long product life and reliable operation. No more pilot lights. Now, down here we have our SureLight control. It's the brains of the system. This controls all furnace operations. It ensures high reliability, and that direct readout diagnostic allows simple, quick troubleshooting. If a service tech has to work on this product, they're going to quickly find any problems. Now, the whole cabinet's lined with special sound absorbing insulation. Now, this further produces sound reduction. The cabinet itself is made of durable steel with an attractive, high quality textured paint finish.
You know, that's a lot of great features. Bottom line, what does it really mean to the consumer?
Well, Dave, it means all of our furnaces have efficiencies above 80%. And models like the G71 are up to 95% efficient, providing significant savings in utility costs over the life of the furnace. And each one carries a limited lifetime warranty on the heat exchanger and a limited 10-year parts warranty, all backed by the Good Housekeeping seal of approval. Also, all of our furnaces are quiet, the quietest in the industry, in fact. Some so quiet, you can hardly hear them running. Now, our competitors' furnaces are up to 9 times louder than the G71 MPP. Now, consumers want a comfort they can feel, not hear, and we feel the G71 is truly the finest furnace money can buy today. The G71 MPP is a leader in a full line of quiet, high-efficiency furnaces designed to meet any budget. Now, let's see a quick comparison demonstration.
The G71P gas furnace is the quietest furnace on the market today, up to 8 times quieter than its closest competitor. The variable speed motor ramps up and down slowly, so there's no blast of air when you first turn your furnace on. And when the cycle ends, it slowly decelerates, making the transition seamless and unnoticeable. Plus, the G71P features a specially insulated cabinet with patented noise-reducing construction, which further reduces operating sound to an industry-leading low level.
So quiet, dependable, efficient operation that's ENERGY STAR qualified.
That's right, Dave. Our line meets or exceeds EPA guidelines, and the competition, well, they just don't offer this kind of product. Now, our environmentally conscious consumers, they're going to love to hear that.